th, th, th. There, the, bathe, smoothie. Word practice, start, that, then, the, they, their, them, themselves, this, those, though, therefore, thee, thy, thereby, therein. Middle, although, bathing, breathing, brother, clothing, either, father, feather, gather, leather, mother, neither, other, rhythm, another, southern, weather, with, withdraw, withstand, gathering, otherwise, stepbrother, together, bother, and part, breathe, scathe, teeth, loathe, bathe, clothe, scythe, soothe, smoothie, mouth. Special rule: th plus z or th with s, close, base, breeze, size, Lozak. Number 2, sit there, had those, is this, all they. Sentence practice. That's right, don't bother me. Mother and father are with my brother. The weatherman made another mistake. If those belong to these people, what about that then? His stepfather has the habit of bad-mouthing others. They are bathing under the sun in their bathing suits. There are those mothers waiting there for their brothers. Neither his brother or his leather coat was scathed in the fire. The reaper was clothed in black, holding a scythe in one hand and breathing heavily. Although Dave's stepbrother was not bothered by it, Dave couldn't withstand his stepmother's smoothie. Actual practice: feather, there, mother, clothing. Brother, gather, father, worthy, rather, themselves, breathe, they, bathe, them, this, leather, weather, rather, they'll, those. If those belong to these people, what about that then? Those, these, that, then.